everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you a few projects that I made using a couple of dies from Andy's store that I got off of AliExpress. I'll show you what it looks like, but these are the projects that I wanted to show you. So I have two boxes that are the same. This is how it looks like, and this is using the picnic box from AliExpress. There's a lot of details and dies on this set. This is the main body, and also I don't think I want to take them all out because they're kind of all there together, but there's a lot of sets here, and it comes with a layering die as well. So it's a pretty nice size box after you assembled it. Yeah, I'm really happy with it. So it looks so cute. It's a picnic box, and it does look like a picnic box because it has this sort of like a cloth on top of the box that would keep it from opening up. This one I made using digital papers from AC Digitals, if not Heritage. I think another collection. I can't remember on top of my head, but I'll try to link it down below and write down all the details there. I'll show you a little close-up of the box itself. So the box is very straightforward to cut. I think it didn't take me long to understand how to cut it. I'm just going to try to show you the details if the camera is picking it up. It's not really picking it up. Okay, here's the detail of the box. I put a die cut from glitter paper, and the die cut that I use is from Lawn Fawn, this one for you. And then underneath that, I just layer this shape die, and this is one from my stash. And I got a couple of heart glitter stickers here. They're pink, almost like lilac-y color. And then the gemmy here is from Prima. This is not actually white. It's more of a pink color. Okay, let's see if the camera will pick it up. Probably it's because it's very, very shiny. It's not really picking up the focus. Okay, so here's the close-up look on everything. It's so shiny and I really love it. The gemmy here, as I said, it's actually pink. It's from Prima. It has like glitter speckles to them. Really, really cute. Okay, and then the rest of the box, the sides are pretty much the same. I just put the same gemmy on all four sides, and I die cut this copper rose gold color. It's a glitter paper and I really like it. And when you open it, looks like this. It's really cute. Actually, if you want to put a magnet or you want to tie it, you don't really need this part as a holder, but I just think it's cute. It really looks like a takeout box, actually, if you can see that. Like a Chinese takeout box. Really cute. On the inside, it's pretty spacious. You can put a lot of things in there. I haven't put anything there, but I'm going to give this to my friend and put some body butter inside it. So there you go. There's the first one. The second box is using the same die as previously. This is made using a digital kit, digital papers from Studio Flergs. She sells at sweetshopdesign.com, I think. Yeah, and this one is pretty similar. I put gemmies on all four sides here. Just gold hard gem there. I used the same rose gold or bronze glitter here on top. And if you can see here, I die cut the word bloom. This is from my stash with glitter paper. And then I die cut these roll flowers. These are all from Spellbinders. They look absolutely cute. And these little leaves, they're from Joy Crafts. I've had it for probably 8 to 9 years, I think. I still love that set. They're really cute. Seems like the camera won't pick up the details when it's really close. So I'm just gonna show it that way. Okay, for the inside, it's pretty much the same. This is how it looks like. And nothing inside yet. Super duper cute. I love the colors here. It really screams fall for me. All the warm tones, really gorgeous. Okay, and then I have another one, which is a simple one, is this purse or bag. It's made using this die. I think it's from Andy's store as well. It's designed by Nicole Silhouette. I can't really take these out because it's kind of snug there, but you can see this is how it looks like. My gripe with this is actually, no, with this one I don't really have a problem, but some of her designs, the way that it's cut right here on the fold, it's not all the way up there. So you have to manually cut it. So wasn't really happy about that, but it turned out okay. I used the same sort of tones previously with the boxes previously. I used the same bronzy rose gold looking glitter paper here, really beautiful. And then I just stacked these flowers. I think these flowers are from my stash, and I put foam tape on top of each other, so they're pretty bulky. I like it rather flat actually. Once I finish this project, this is a good size. Let me see if I can show you how big this is. Okay, the finished size is about 5 1/8 by 3 7/8. It's a good size. The depth is about 1 5/8, I think. Yeah, so it's a pretty good size. I just put a Velcro here, and on the inside I still haven't put anything there. So there you go, everybody. Those are my projects using Andy Store's dies. Hope you like it, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.